If leadership had a currency, it wouldn't be money, it would be trust. And some leaders spend it like they're at a Vegas slot machine, hoping good intentions will cover bad withdrawals. But in the workplace, trust is earned, spent, and if you're not careful, overdrawn. Welcome back to another 3-minute brief. Trust isn't just liking your boss. It's the consistent belief that leadership would do what is right, even when nobody's watching. It's what makes employees say, "I'll follow you," not because they have to, but because they want to. So let's look at this in the same way that we look at an accounting ledger, where we balance deposits and withdrawals. Deposits are how leaders earn trust. This looks like consistency, doing what you say when you say it. Transparency, share information openly, even when it's uncomfortable. Empathy, treat people like humans, not a head count. And competence, know your stuff or know who to ask. Withdrawals are how leaders lose it. Broken promises, even small ones. Micromanagement, if you don't trust them, they won't trust you. Blame games, nothing empties the trust account faster than finger pointing. And disappearing acts, silence during tough times feels like abandonment. Trust is like your leadership credit score. The higher it is, the easier everything else becomes. Here's some homework for you. Check your trust balance this week. Ask yourself, have I been making deposits or withdrawals with my team? Because every decision, conversation, and promise adds up. When you build trust consistently, your leadership becomes recession-proof. But if you overspend it, don't be surprised when your team closes the account. And that's your 3-minute brief. Subscribe for more leadership insight. Share this with someone who's earned your trust and drop a comment. What's one way a leader built or broke trust with you? I'll see you on the next one.